Hey, stop. Wait 1 second. Before you scroll away,
Can I ask you one question? Just one. Very simple.
how many times did you check your phone today?
10 times? 20 times? Maybe 50 times?
Ha! Don't be shy. We do it too.
This morning, I woke up, and before I even got out of bed, I checked my phone.
Me too. Immediately. Eyes open and phone.
And then I checked messages, then the news, then some videos, and suddenly 30 minutes were gone.
30 minutes, just like that. Gone.
And I thought, why do I do this every day?
Because technology is everywhere now. Every single day. Morning, afternoon, night.
And here is the interesting thing. Do you know how to talk about this in English?
Can you say, my phone is very convenient?
Can you say, I need balance with technology?
Can you say, I have too much screen time?
If not, don't worry. Stay right here, because today,
We will teach you all of that in simple English, easy English, English you can use today.
we are Giulia and Jack, and this is your English podcast.
Today's topic, technology in daily life.
Your phone, your apps, your daily habits, all in English. Simple, slow, and fun.
By the end of this video, you will have 7 new English words, real words, useful words.
Words you can use tomorrow, in a message, in a conversation, in real life.
So do one thing right now. Put your phone down.
Wait, you are watching on your phone probably.
Aha! Okay. Don't put it down then. Keep watching. Keep listening.
Just press that subscribe button real quick.
And then we start. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, Giulia, let's start simple. Very simple. What is technology?
Good question, Jack. Technology is tools. Tools that help us.
Yes, tools that help us do things. For example,
Jack, let's talk about home. Technology at home. What technology do you have at home?
Ooh, good question. Let me think. I have a phone. I have a laptop.
Good.
I have a TV. I have a Wi-Fi router. And I have a microwave.
Oh yes, a microwave. That is technology too. Very useful technology.
I love my microwave. Warm food in 2 minutes. That is amazing.
Yes, and I have those things too. Phone, laptop, TV, but I also have a smart speaker.
Oh, a smart speaker. Like a little speaker you can talk to?
Yes, exactly. I say, hey, play some music, and it plays music.
That is so cool. You talk to it and it listens.
Yes, it is like a small helper in my house. I ask it questions too. What is the weather today?
And it answers?
It answers. Today is sunny and warm.
Wow, that is very useful. I want one of those.
Ha, you should get one. But let's go back to technology at home.
Yes, so we have phones, laptops, TVs, smart speakers. What else?
Many people now have smart TVs. A smart TV connects to the internet. You can watch videos, movies, shows.
Yes, I have a smart TV. I watch movies on it. I watch YouTube on it too.
Me too. And some people have smart lights. The lights connect to your phone. You can turn them on or off from your phone.
Wow, from your phone? You don't need to walk to the switch?
No, you just tap your phone and the light goes on or off.
That is very convenient. Convenient means easy and helpful.
Yes, convenient. Good word. Technology at home is very convenient.
Let's practice that word. Convenient. Can you say it? Convenient.
Convenient. Convenient. Technology is convenient.
Good. Let's use it in a sentence. My phone is very convenient. The smart TV is very convenient.
A washing machine is very convenient.
Yes, great example. Before washing machines,
Okay, next topic. Technology and communication.
Oh, this is a big one.
Very big. Communication means how we talk to people, how we send messages, how we connect.
Yes, and technology changed communication so much.
Very so much. In the past, people wrote letters, real letters, on paper.
Paper letters with a pen.
Yes, and you sent the letter and you waited, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, for the answer.
2 weeks. That is a long time to wait for a message.
A very long time. Now we send a message in 1 second. 1 second.
And the person reads it immediately. Immediately means right away, very fast.
Yes, immediately. Technology made communication so fast.
And now we have so many ways to communicate. Text messages, voice messages, video calls, emails.
Yes, video calls are amazing. I can see my friend and talk to my friend from a different country.
From a different country. You see their face, you hear their voice. It feels like they're in the same room.
Almost, yes. I have a friend in Brazil. We do video calls every week.
Every week. That is so nice. Without technology, that would be very difficult.
Very difficult. Maybe impossible.
And then we have social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, many apps.
Yes, social media is very popular. People share photos, share videos, talk to friends.
I use Instagram. I like to look at photos and share my own photos sometimes.
Me too. I use Instagram and also WhatsApp. WhatsApp is great for messages and voice notes.
Oh, voice notes, yes. You record your voice and send it like a message.
I love voice notes. Sometimes I don't want to type, so I just talk and send.
Ha, easy and fast. I do that too.
Technology really helps us stay connected. Connected means staying in touch, staying close to people.
Yes, connected. Even when people are far away, technology keeps us connected.
Let's practice that word. Connected. I feel connected to my friends.
I feel connected to my friends.
My phone keeps me connected. Good. Your turn now.
Yes, question for everyone.
How do you communicate with your friends and family?
Do you use WhatsApp? Do you use video calls? Do you send text messages?
Write in the comments. Write, I communicate with my friends by...
For example, I communicate with my friends by WhatsApp. Or, I call my family every Sunday.
Simple and perfect. Write it below. We love to read it.
And this is great English practice too. Writing about your real life in English. That is very good practice.
Yes, real-life practice is the best. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, let's talk about daily tasks. Daily tasks are the things we do every day. Going to work, shopping, traveling.
And technology helps us with all of these.
All of them, yes. Let's start with maps. Do you use maps on your phone, Julia?
Every day. Every single day. When I don't know where to go, I open maps on my phone.
Me too. Maps are so useful. The app shows you the way. It tells you, turn left.
Okay, now let's talk about something a little different. Technology is great. We love technology. But it is not always perfect.
Yes, this is true. Technology has good sides and sometimes not so good sides.
Yes, let's talk about the good things first. The good things are easy.
Yes, very easy. Technology helps us communicate. Technology helps us learn.
Technology helps us with work, with travel, with shopping, with so many things.
It makes life easier. It saves time. It connects us to people far away.
Yes, all good things. But what about the not so good things?
Okay, one thing I notice. Sometimes I spend too much time on my phone.
Oh yes, me too. I pick up my phone for 1 minute and suddenly it is 20 minutes later.
Yes, that happens to me too. I say I will check one message, and then I check 10 messages, and then videos, and then...
And then 1 hour is gone.
Yes, 1 hour is gone. This is a problem for many people. Too much time on screens.
Too much screen time. Screen time means the time you spend looking at a screen. Phone, computer, TV.
Too much screen time can make you tired. Your eyes get tired, your head feels heavy.
Yes, I feel that sometimes. After a long day of looking at screens, my eyes feel very tired.
And another not so good thing, sometimes technology gives us too many notifications. Beep, 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 all day.
Yes. Notification is the little alert on your phone. A message, an email, a like on your photo.
And sometimes you get so many. It's a lot. It feels stressful.
Stressful means it makes you feel worried or tired. Too many notifications can feel stressful.
Yes, so technology is very good, but we need to use it carefully. Not too much, not too little.
We need balance. Balance means the right amount. Not too much, not too little, just right.
Balance. Good word. I want to have balance with technology.
I try to have balance with my phone. Good.
Let's ask our viewers.
Yes. Question for you.
Do you think technology is mostly good Or do you sometimes have problems with technology?
Write in the comments. Write, I think technology is...
Or write, one problem with technology for me is, your opinion is important.
Yes, we love... Okay, everyone. Now it is time for our vocabulary review.
Yes, this is where we look at the key words from today, the important words. Let's go through them slowly.
Ready? First word, technology. Technology means tools and machines that help us.
Technology. I use technology every day. Can you say it? Technology.
Good. Next word, convenient. Convenient means easy and helpful.
Convenient. My phone is very convenient. Say it. Convenient.
Good. Next word, connected. Connected means staying in touch with people.
Connected. Technology keeps me connected to my friends. Say it. Connected.
Great. Next, screen time. Screen time is the time you spend on screens, phone, computer, TV.
Screen time. I have too much screen time today. Say it. Screen time.
Good. Next word, notification. Notification is an alert from your phone or computer.
Notification. I have many notifications on my phone. Say it. Notification.
Next word, balance. Balance means the right amount. Not too much, not too little.
Balance. I need balance with technology. Say it. Balance.
And last word, tempted. Tempted means you want to do something even if you should not.
Tempted. I am tempted to check my phone. Say it. Tempted.
Wonderful. 7 words today. Technology, convenient, connected, screen time, notification, balance, tempted.
These are great words for talking about technology. Try to use one of these words today, in a sentence, in a conversation.
Or write one of these words in the comments. Make a sentence with one word.
For example, I need balance with my phone. Or, technology is very convenient for me.
Simple, perfect, great practice.
Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end. Can you believe it? The time went so fast.
So fast, but we talked about so many things today.
Yes, let's do a quick review. What did we talk about today?
We talked about what technology is, simple tools and machines that help us.
We talked about technology at home,